Good morning, Indianapolis. How are we this morning? Just wanted to take a second as I'm driving to my 10 o'clock appointment to thank everybody for coming out to the home show last week, the week before. We did a great amount of people. We had tons of people in the booth, and obviously tons of people that wanted to have us come out and look at their bathrooms. So again, thank you everybody that came out. I want to say thank you to Kelly and Shelly at Wind Supply for helping us with faucets. I also want to say thanks to my guys, Gary and Sean. They're actually up in Delphi this week and next week, so they're a little ways from home this week. But again, thanks to those guys for helping me out. And I hope everybody has a great day. It's beautiful. It says it's 48 degrees out this morning, so bright and shiny day. So have a great day, and give me a call if you'd like us to come out and look at your bathroom.